Hey everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS. In this demo, we'll see how we can achieve high availability and automatic scaling for a web application using AWS service. Imagine your website suddenly goes viral, getting thousands of visitors per second. Manually launching new server would be too slow and inefficient. That's where auto scaling and load balancing comes. So this demo shows how we can automatically handle increased traffic and maintain uptime without any manual intervention. So let's begin the demo. So before that, we'll understand the architecture. So first, if you see the diagram here, we'll create first a security group. So this security group act like firewall, virtual firewall. We need port 80 open for web traffic and port 22 for SSH for optional accessing or debugging purpose. And after that, we'll create the launch template. So what is this launch template? So launch template is a blueprint for launching EC2 instance. User data ensure Nginx is installed and starts on boot. So every instance is ready to serve traffic automatically. Next, you can see target group, this one. So this is where your load balancer sends the traffic. It's when it monitors the health of instance and ensure only healthy instance receive traffic. Next, after you see auto scaling group. So this one distribute incoming traffic across EC2 instance. It ensures users always reach a healthy backend, improving both performance and uptime. Next, you'll see auto scaling group. So auto scaling group ensure that your application can scale up when traffic increases, like more CPU, and scale down when demands drops. So it will help in saving money and resources. And in the last, we will verify like engineers got installed or not. So we'll also see test and verify. So let's begin the demo. So first we'll create the security group. So go to the AWS and we'll create the go to the EC2 dashboard, and there we'll select the security groups. So if we scroll down and you can see security groups, this one will select, click on create security group. Name will give demo SG and give description, allow HTTP and SSH. Next, we'll select the default VPC and we'll add two rules. First, we'll give HTTP and custom will anywhere, and we'll add another for SSH. So we'll select SSH and we'll click on create security group. So this one gets created. Now next step will launch the template. So if we scroll up and here you can see launch templates. So we'll create launch template and give the name demo launch template, and we'll select this Amazon Linux, and instance type will select T2 micro, it's free tier eligible. So if we'll not create key pair, like if you want you can create, we'll do SSH, we'll connect from the console only. And in security group, if we'll select the existing security group like which we have created now, demo SG, this one will select, and then important step we'll go to the advanced detail, and if we scroll down and here you can see user data. So here we'll paste the code like for installing the Nginx. So I've already made video for this, how we can install Nginx using user data. You can check it out. So next, let me check once, and after that we'll create the template, demo launch template. Now we'll click on create launch template. So it gets created. So the launch template is a blueprint for launching EC2 instance, and user data ensure Nginx is installed and start on boot. Next step will create the target group. So if you scroll down and see target, we'll click on create target group and choose the target type instance and give the name. We'll give the name demo pg and select the protocol HTTP and port 80 and health checks HTTP and health check path slash, and let me check once and we'll click on next, and again we'll click on create target group. So it gets created. Now the next step. So this is where your load balancer sends the traffic. It monitors the health of instance and ensure only healthy instance receive traffic. Our next step is to create application load balancer. To go to the load balancer, click on create load balancer, select the ALB and give the load balancer name. We'll give demo ALB and internet facing IPv4. Scroll down and we'll select minimum two ability zone. VPC will select default and security groups will select demo as G. Now, and here you can see target group which we have created, demo TG will select. We'll check once and click on create. Now we'll scroll down, create load balancer. So it gets created. So it will distribute incoming traffic across EC2 instance. It ensures user always reach a healthy backend, improving both performance and uptime. Now the next step will create the auto scaling group. So we scroll down in the bottom, you can see auto scaling group. Click on create auto scaling group. Give the name demo SG, launch template. Select the template which we have created. Click on next and VPC default ability on select 2 and we'll select the balanced only ability on distribution. Click on next and we'll select the here in load balancing we'll select to attach to an existing load balancer, and here you can see if we click this demo TC, this one existing load balancer target group. Now we'll keep the rest of the thing default and click on next, and here we'll keep the desired capacity 1, mean 1 and max desired capacity will be 2, and if you click on target tracking scaling policy, here we'll keep the default 50% target value. Now we'll click on create instance. So let me check once. Click on next and again click next. Now we'll check once it is on this load balancer. Click on create auto scaling group. So this auto scaling group ensure that your application can scale when the traffic increases and scale down when demand drops. The next step, before that, we'll log in. Go to the instance. We'll connect. Here we'll see connect and click on connect. So we'll verify engine installed or not. System CTL status Nginx. So here you can see it's up 10 seconds ago. It's up and running. So next step we'll go to the EC2 and go to the load balancer. And before that we'll go to the target group, click MOTG and CP. It's not registered yet. We'll have to wait for some time. So go to the load balancer and you can see here DNS name. This one we have to copy and we'll paste it. So here you can see it's up and running. Welcome to Nginx. So with just few clicks and script, we have created a self-scaling, automatically scalable and highly available web architecture using AWS. So that's all from this video. We'll see in the another video.